A quick update on Beam. So Beam here looks to be at the bottom. It's got nice wicks on the bottom here, looking on the monthly. So we're going to zoom in. We'll go to the weekly chart here. So this little line that we drew on the live stream, I believe, it's very bullish right now. You can see the double bottom with the higher lows in play. So it looks really good where it is for a bottom being put in. So you may get a pump on this thing out of this pattern here. We'll go from the high to the low here. Let me move this out of the way for just a moment so we can actually see. So going from the low to the high, you can see the stock RSI is starting to curl up above 20 here. And with the pattern we have and the market structure, it doesn't look bad. You're getting stuck at the 0.5 right now, but once this thing gets over the 382 at 7.7, you're back to being bullish here. And then once it gets over the macro 236 at 8.1, you're probably going to get a decent little run up here to the 382 to try to be macro bullish here. That would be about a 62% move up to the 382 at 1.1 here. And then once we get over a penny on this thing, you know, if this is the bottom, this thing may end up running up here and testing the previous trend that it broke down below and back testing this thing. So from this bottom area on Beam, you know, this thing could run up and do almost a 5x, 4.5, 5x on this thing up to test that resistance level. And then I would say once this thing breaks through the 4.5 penny range, that new high comes into play at some point. So this thing all the way up to the 1272 new high, that's where you get over a 10x, you get an 11x up to 8 cents. And then of course, comment down below, where do you see Beam ending up for a high target here? Is 8 pennies good, or do you think this thing's going to go a lot higher than that? So if we hit the next spot, or say we hit the 1618 on Beam, that would be your 25x on this thing for the 2025 run here. But it does appear the bottom is in. It's got very good looking structure down here. It's not looking too bad. So none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.